Shake it, shake it, shake it, 힘들어 shake it. 너무 흔들어. Stir fry. Shake it, shake it. 흔들어 shake it. 많이 흔들어 shake it, shake it. Too much shake it, shake it. 흔들어 shake it. More and more. Faster. 점점 빠르게. Shake it, shake it. What the fuck are you? Okay, like this. Not bored and some enjoying. 조금씩 즐겨. Anyway, that's going. Finish it more and more. Let's go. Let's get it. Sometime as soon as possible. 최대한 빨리. I up. Oh shit. Up. Here we go. Here we're going. Well. Here we're going well. Oh yeah. Come on. Yo, what I'm doing? Anyway. Today is pretty bored, but I get this for my late breakfast or simply making dinner. 그냥 오늘 이 간단한 꽈리고추볶음을 만들고 있어. This is name of 꽈리고추볶음. Twisted green pepper, stir fried side dish. So more and more growing up. Not bad. So it's salty and with the flavor. I tried some. Not bad. Oh, salty and so tasty. It will be perfect with rice. Wait, I'm waiting for my 55 mixed nuts and my rice meal. Let's go and so mix pork. Mixed rice. Let's go. I'm back. Anyway, it's not difficult. It's pretty easy making. It's cooking. Someday I hope you try cook this. It'll be so wonderful, so delicious, yummy sauce. Black soy sauce with sweet sauce or oligo당, and grinded garlic and some 맛소금, tasty, salty or B1 MSG, a little bit, so little bit. I'm done. Bye. It's growing to be finished. So flavor smelled for me. I'm so starved and hungry. 너무너무 배고파. 아주 너무. What the fuck? Hungry? Like this? 배고파. Someday, my 계란 soup. 계란국. Where is my? Go. Oh shit. Pancake. Fish, dried fish pancake. So flavor and yummy. So easy cook. I'm sure that finished. Bye. You are here. Let's go. Let me eat this. Can I eat this? Sure, why not? What I'm doing? Anyway, good luck. You're having meal time. Bye.
Shut up!
Hey guys, look at this. He anyway, is crying now. Why?
No, God, please, no! No! No!
What is the reason? Don't cry. Anyway, I expected this because I'm so hungry. I'm so starved. Anyway, as soon as possible, come here. It's literally crying. I saw that. Why do so? What happening of you? What? What occurring? What's the matter? What's the problem with you? Don't worry, I will eat sooner for my last breakfast. I had some egg soup just ago. That's okay. That's okay. 난 괜찮아. I'm full. I'm a bit full. Filled me. Oh, my stomach is full. So good. I'm so happy. No problem, no worries. Why do I take this video? Why? That I don't know at all. 전혀 모르겠어. 전혀 모르겠어. 그냥 재밌어서. So it's funny and without boring time for this taking video. Don't cry anymore. Good boy, good girl. Yeah, you are. See you 7 minutes later. Bye. It's done. Look at this.
No! God, please, no! No!
Push button. Open the door. This is my mixed rice meal. 이게 내 밥이야. Oh, so pretty many making. I'm already full because I had some of egg soup, like I said. Anyway, I hope you guys someday have this so good. My phone is not good to take video, but that's okay. Yummy. Oh shit. Oh, crazy. What a crazy. Jesus. Anyway, cover. Look at this. How many rices? It's still like this. 이만큼 있어 아직. 맛있겠다. I have to have this right now. So yummy. My hand is clean, but
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
crazy. This is crazy and crazy. Eating till 식감. Good. Where is this? You can try this. I hope